everyone. We are on a search for the best wings in our area, and we started in Milton and Pace, Florida.
We tried a few different places, and we'll let you know how it turns out.
Yep, we tried 4 different spots, and we'll tell you what we thought was the best at the end of the video. Hi, we are at Ollies in Milton, Florida. We come here a lot because we really have a lot of fun here. But one of the reasons we like to come is because we have friends that hang out here, and we also like their wings, usually.
Just depends.
Yeah, they're not consistent, but when they're good, they're really good. So we're trying the wings at Ollies tonight, and we'll see how they are.
Yep.
One good thing they do have here at Ollies on Tuesday night is $1.25 Rolling Rocks, Natural Lights, and PBRs. That's their special during wing night, and the wings are 69 cents on Tuesday night as well.
Okay, so first impression is they look really scrawny. These are the blackets, which is my favorite flavor here at Ollies. And I had 4 flats and 1 drum, which I prefer the flats, so that's okay. Not very much celery and only 1 cup of ranch. I'll probably end up having to order more ranch. But they smell really good. We'll see.
So I got the Sriracha traditional wings and some water please boneless and celery and ranch, and at least they're about half and half, drums and flats. They look like they're done. We'll see.
Alright, so we finished up at Ollies, and overall I liked the flavor of the wings.
Wings were good.
They were good.
They weren't exactly cooked crispy like I like them, but...
And see, I was completely satisfied with mine. I like the flavor of mine, but...
The Sriracha wings didn't have enough sauce on them.
I had a dry rub, so sauce wasn't an issue. Anything else?
No.
Alright, we'll see what the next one is. Okay, we are at Mugshots, and we are trying their wings here tonight. Mike's had them before.
And they're pretty good.
Yeah, so I have never had them before, and I have become the discretionary one, I think.
She loves their burgers with no bun.
I do. I love the bunless burgers.
I like them with the bun.
And they have a pretty good salads. They have a couple of pretty good salads, too. So anyway, we'll see how the wings are.
Turkey Club is also very good.
Oh, the Turkey Club. So good. Okay, but we'll tell you how the wings are.
Yeah, that's what this is for.
All right, so this time I got the hot wings. Not a lot of sauce on them, but we'll see how.
First impression, this is the naked wings at Mugshots, and I got some of their seasoning they use on their veggies because it's really good, and then some ranch, so we'll see how they are. All right, we just finished our wings at Mugshots, and wow.
They were really good.
This is the best wings we've had so far. Well,
yes.
The best wings I've had so far. You too?
Me too. I just had regular hot, but they were really good. I mean, just like generic buffalo flavor, but awesome.
I just got mine naked, and I got some spicy seasonings on the side with some ranch, and they were perfect. They were cooked well. They were juicy, but not too juicy. They were crispy, but not too crispy. They were great. We will have the wings here again.
Oh yeah. And if you want a burger here, burgers are awesome.
Fantastic
always.
Burgers, although I don't eat the buns, but they're good.
So we're at Field Bradys here in Pace. Decided to come here and try out some of their wings.
We have been here many times before, but I personally have not tried their wings before. I think you have, though, haven't you?
Yeah, I've had them a few times. They've been pretty good in the past. They don't have a lot of flavors, but they do have a decent amount.
They have blackened, a dry rub that I always tend to like. I like my dry rubs are my favorite, so I'm looking forward to trying that.
All right, we'll see how this goes.
First impressions of my blackened wings is pretty good. They look yummy, and they're a great size. Can't wait to dig in.
These wings look really good. They're very large and look well done. So these are the spicy garlic, and these are the hot. Hope they taste
All right,
good.
we just finished our wings at Field Bradys.
They were pretty good.
They were not bad.
They weren't great, but they were pretty good. The flavors were okay.
I enjoyed the flavor of my blackened ones, but they were actually a little bit too done for me. A little bit more crispy than I wanted, if that makes sense.
Yeah, a couple of them were overdone.
So I probably would not come back here for the wings, but there were a lot of other things on the menu that I've had before and other things I want to try. So I'll be back, just probably not for the wings.
Right. There's a lot of other things on the menu that are really good. They have different specials every night. It's a cool little neighborhood spot. But wings, okay.
Yeah. Next. Hi, we are at the Oval Office in Milton, Florida, and we're going to try their wings tonight.
Hope they're good.
All right, so first impressions. These are my wings. I ordered 10 naked wings, and I got the red hot sauce on the side because they didn't have any options besides naked and mild and a couple of others, and I wanted something with a little bit of heat, but not too much. So I figure I will add the red hot sauce to my ranch.
I got the Gator Hot, and as you can see, they are steaming hot. Lots of steam coming off them. Look like they're cooked well. Hopefully they taste as good as they look.
Okay, we just finished our wings at Oval Office in Milton, and honestly, the wings were cooked really, really well.
Yeah, they were very
Great,
good.
yeah. I will say that
Racetrack going by.
I will say they didn't have very many choices on flavors.
No, they only had 4, I think, or 5.
Yeah, 4 or 5. So for that, for me, it really didn't work well. I ended up just getting plain old naked wings. I got one of the hot sauces on the side so I could try it, and it was okay. But
For me, it worked out fine. I had the Gator Hot, which is their signature sauce, and it was very good.
yeah, he really enjoyed that. So he enjoyed it better than I did just because of that. But the wings were cooked very, very,
By
very
the way,
well.
the burgers here are phenomenal if you ever get a chance. So burgers are great.
So I think that is our last wing stop in
I believe
Milton.
so.
All right. You
Keep
guys-
an eye out for our video and like and subscribe, please.
Yes, please. And don't forget to comment below and tell us what wing places we missed in Milton that you would like us to check out next time. Bye.
Out of the places we tried, Field Bradys was in 4th place, followed by Ollies in 3rd, Oval Office in 2nd, and 1st place overall in Milton and Pace was Mugshots.
We really enjoyed things about each of the 4 places, but Field Bradys scored the lowest for us because all 3 of the categories, the taste of the flavors we chose, the options of the flavors we chose, as well as the way they were cooked, just did not come up to par.
Ollies has a lot of flavors, and they just scored lower in the cooked well category.
They could have definitely been cooked better. And then Oval Office, we really, really liked. They really would have had a perfect score if,
They had more choices.
yeah, they just didn't have enough choices.
They've only got a couple flavors, and if you like those flavors, that's the place for you.
Right.
Especially if you like burgers, it's definitely a good place to go.
Yeah, and if you
somebody
want-
else wants some wings, or if you want some wings with a burger, whatever.
And if you want a little local hole in the wall, if you're one of those people that looks for something small and something, that really is very local, that's the place.
Overall, though, Mugshots won out just in all the categories. The only place they scored low was the number of flavors, because they don't have a lot of flavors. But the flavors they do have are really good.
And they were cooked perfectly, and the flavors that we got were just excellent. So, Mugshots is the winner for us in the Milton Pace area.
We're going to be trying wings in other locations, so keep an eye out for our videos on those. And we will let you know how those turn out.